Poughkeepsie Public Library District. Today we're doing our second DIY craft video and we are doing homemade rainbow bouncy balls. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. You will need half a cup of warm water, borax, which you can find at your local grocery store, cornstarch, there we go, some Elmer's glue. It can be either the clear glue or white glue. I have white today. And then I also have 4 different colors of food coloring. It was whatever I have in the house. And then 4 containers, because we'll mix up the 4 different colors together to then mold and roll the bouncy ball. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of glue into each container. And this is what will turn into the bouncy ball. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch into each container with the glue. Okay, so now we're going to add our food coloring. I'm going to start with blue. And there's no rhyme or reason. You can add as much or as little as you want. I don't want my bouncy ball to be too dark. So I'm just gonna add 5 drops at a time. Here's my yellow. And now we're gonna mix them all up. And then we're gonna take each batch one at a time and add it into the borax and water solution, and that's what will help start to firm it up and give it that bouncy ball texture. All right, so while I put the green in, then I'll go ahead and I'll mix up the rest. And it almost kind of starts to look like silly putty, so it needs to react with the borax and water, so let it sit in there about, 10 to 15 seconds, but 15 to 20 would be better. Just to give it a little bit longer. See it start to change. There we go. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's actually changing right now. See? I can pick it up and use it. Almost feels like oobleck if you've ever made oobleck. Okay. So while it's in there, I'm going to mix up the blue quick. It's a new frontier, folks, doing videos at home while your kid and your cats are in the background. Alright, I'm going to take the green now. And here it is, you can see really close. Yep. A little bouncy. Now we're going to put some blue in there. My daughter, she's going to help me get the last couple ready while they sit. Last color in, which is yellow. Good job, everybody. And then we're going to use our hands and we're going to roll them together. roll the colors together and make the bouncy ball. You're not done. You're going to put the bouncy ball back in the borax and water solution and let it sit for a little bit, and then you can rotate the ball and flip it over in the borax, let it sit a teeny bit longer, and then you should be ready. Thanks, Sam. Let's see. Just roll them together. Last color for you. You kind of stack them up like a cheeseburger. And you start rolling. Yeah, I think it'll be good. There's the last one. Perfect. Let's see. Let's do the test. So, just a tip. The borax and water solution, what Anna did for me that really helped is she played with the cornstarch glue and food coloring in the borax to help it firm up, because if you just let it sit in there in the middle of the ball, it might still be a little juicy, and you don't want a sticky bouncy ball. You want it to actually bounce. So just let them sit in there and play with it. So we're going to separate these because it actually ends up being big pieces. We're going to make 2 bouncy balls out of it. Her and I are going to give them the bounce test and see how they do. So let's bring these in half. So actually I think you could use this recipe for 2 kids at a time. And you're just going to layer your colors up, and then we're going to start to roll them together with our hands. Keep kneading it until we can get it. Nice. Ooh, yours is doing really good. And they work. It works really good. But these are fun to do at home. Probably the only thing you might not have at home would be borax. There you go. And it's pretty inexpensive. You can get it at the grocery store. It's a fun thing to do. Then you can send the kids out to play and bounce their balls all over. And it was homemade. So there they are. Here's mine. It works pretty good. I like it. Oh, I like it a lot.
Let's see how high we can bounce it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! All right, boys and girls and families, I miss seeing you. Stay tuned. Please share and like and watch our YouTube videos on PokeLib01 on YouTube. That's our channel. And we hope to see you at all the story times we're posting on our Facebook Live page through Poughkeepsie Public Library District. This is Miss Holly and Miss Anna signing off. Bye. Woo! It's Miss Holly from Poughkeepsie. It's so hot in here. Start getting quick. No, it's still. Woo! It's Miss Holly from Poughkeepsie Public Library District. You did it again.